Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix application is not responding in Windows 11 and how you can completely fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to click over here in the search icon over here, and you have to click on Troubleshoot Settings over here, and you have to open this. From here you have to click on Additional Troubleshooters, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to click on Program Compatibility Troubleshooter, and from here you have to click on Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, now what you have to do is just have to select the respective program which is having an issue. As you can see that there is plenty of programs which is on this PC, in this laptop. So for the time being, I'm going to select one random one, which is Google Chrome, and I'm going to go for next. And they'll be looking onto it, and I have to click on Try Recommend Settings. I have to click on this, and I have to go for test the program. So what happens, this will be testing issue, and as you can see there is no issue, but when there is an issue then definitely this won't be the way. Then once after it's been successfully been tested, what you have to do is just have to click on next, and you just have to save the settings for this. You have three options: either you can use some other way, or else you can report directly to the Microsoft so they can have a kindly look onto it. So this is what you have to do. And once this has been successfully done, you just have to close this. As you can see that the incompatibility program issue has been fixed. Now you just have to close this, and most probably by this has to be fixed, or else the easiest way, one more method which I would like to make you notice, is you have to select the respective program which there is an issue, and you just have to right click on this, and you have to go to properties over here. From here you just have to click on compatibility, and you have to click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. And what you have to do is just have to wait for it, and you just have to click on Try Recommend Settings over here, and click on Test the Program over here, and you just have to see whether the issue is solved or not. And once it is being done, just have to close this up, and you have to go for next, and you have to go for yes this one, and most probably just have to wait for it, and you just have to close this. And this is what you have to do, and just do a normal restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this series is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.